happy land. And in this happy land, there is one unhappy man. Because of all the things he wants, there is always something he can't have. It's like